Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm definitely gonna be making a beat as per usual. I haven't made one in like 6 days because I've just been busy with work and life and stuff. But I have in front of me the Akai MPK Mini. I've had it for like 8 months. I've literally never used it one time. I don't know why. Usually I use the Akai Advanced 49. I like how big the keys are. I'm looking to upgrade that soon, so if you guys have some suggestions, please let me know. But I want to try this thing out, and I just kind of want to see how I like it. So I'm going to use this to make the beat today. And yeah. So pretty much I've just been listening to, like, you know, the new Tory Lanez tape dropped, and some of the songs on there, the beats are so simple, but they just bang. And I like, you know, they kind of let the vocals do the talking. So I really just want to, you know, dial in on some kind of Tory Lanez type vibe. And yeah, kind of keep it simple, but let it still have that kind of bang. So I have a BPM set already of 160. A lot faster than most beats I make, but I'm probably gonna obviously play it at the halftime. So I'm, you know, technically working with 80. So, you know, 80 for the melody, and then I'll speed up on the drums. So I'm just gonna hop right into it and kind of see. Kind of already off the bat, the keys are small, so I gotta get used to it. Alright, let's get it. I like that lower clap. It's time for that clap. Alright, so far it's super simple. It's got a nice groove though, so I think we're heading in the right direction. I don't want to give it too much. I have a habit of giving it way too much. Time for that kick. The kick sounds alright. It's not bad. It's not my favorite kick, so I might go back and change that. I got that 808. I like to make my 808s a little more dirty. I'll turn this down a little bit so it gives a little bit more toward the clicky side. I'm going to layer my clap with something else, kind of on the not simple note. because I want it to sound a little more. Alchemy. Now I have Sylenth and stuff, y'all, but I'm telling you, Alchemy has got some sounds. You know, if you're looking for like keys, I love the keys in Alchemy. Like, all right, I'm gonna add some little accents. Alright, y'all, so I'm throwing a spreader on that. Okay, guys, so I think I'm pretty close. I'm going to arrange this out. And yeah, it's super simple, but like I said, that's kind of what I noticed a lot going on, kind of in that record. So I'm gonna lay this track out real quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got. And of course, as usual, I'll let the actual theme play in the outro. I've been having some issues streaming my sound through OBS, right? So I gotta figure that whole thing out. So until then, you guys gotta hear it through my monitors. I apologize, but I'll show you what the beat actually sounds like in the outro. Okay, you guys, so I got this thing arranged out. I'm ready to show it to you. I'll let it play out in the outro. Yeah, let me know what you think about it, man. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, drop a comment. If you hate it, you know, tell me what I can do better. I'm always trying to get better. And yeah, man, like I said, just keep it locked, and I'm gonna keep more content coming. Hope you guys like it.